In the very beginning, God created the sky and the earth. At first, the earth was completely empty. Nothing was on it. Darkness covered the deep waters, and God's Spirit moved gently over the surface of the water. Then God spoke,
"Let there be light."
And just like that, light appeared. God looked at the light and saw that it was good. He separated the light from the darkness. God named the light
Day.
and He named the darkness
Night.
There was evening, and then there was morning, the very first day. Next, God said,
"Let there be a space to separate the waters into two parts."
So God made the space and divided the waters. Some of the waters stayed above and some stayed below. God called this space
Sky.
There was evening, and then there was morning, the second day. Then God said,
"Let the water under the sky be gathered together, so dry land can appear."
And it happened, just as He said. God called the dry land
Earth.
and the gathered waters He called.
Seas.
And God saw that it was good. Then God said,
"Let the earth grow grass, plants that make grain, and fruit trees that make fruit with seeds inside them. Each plant should make its own kind of seed."
And it happened. The earth grew grass and plants that made grain, and trees that made fruit with seeds inside. Every plant made seeds of its own kind. And God saw that it was good. There was evening, and then there was morning, the third day. Then God said,
"Let there be lights in the sky to separate the day from the night. They will be signs to mark the seasons, the days, and the years. They will shine light down on the earth."
And it happened. God made two great lights, the larger light to rule the day, and the smaller light to rule the night. He also made the stars. God placed all these lights in the sky to shine on the earth, to rule over the day and night, and to separate the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. There was evening, and then there was morning, the fourth day. Then God said,
"Let the waters be filled with living things, and let birds fly in the air above the earth."
So God created the great sea animals and every living thing that moves in the waters, in all their different kinds. He also created every kind of bird that flies through the air. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them, saying,
"Have many babies, and fill the seas, and birds, have many more babies, and fill the earth."
There was evening, and then there was morning, the fifth day. Then God said,
"Let the earth produce many kinds of living things, large animals, small crawling animals, and wild animals, all different kinds. And let them each produce more animals of their own kind."
And it happened. God made all the wild animals, the tame animals, and all the small crawling things, each according to their kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said,
"Now let's make humans who will be like us. They will rule over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and all the animals, both large and small, that move across the earth."
So God created humans in His own image. He created them to be like Himself. He created them male and female. God blessed them and said,
"Have many children, fill the earth and take control over it. Rule over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and every living thing that moves on the ground."
God also said,
"I am giving you all the grain-bearing plants and every fruit tree with seeds for your food. And for every animal, bird, and small crawling thing, I am giving all the green plants for food."
And it happened just as God said. God looked at everything He had made and saw that it was very good. There was evening, and then there was morning, the sixth day.